I like C++. The only issue is I'm rubbish at it. So, what I can do instead is I can have it in Python. And I can say hello world. I can say hello world end line. I can print out a number. And if I really want, I can change the precision of the number that I print out. Quite simple, really. You may be wondering how all of this is working, and unfortunately the result is not quite as pretty as you may imagine. Is here cout is a variable, an instance of the out class, and out takes no arguments but does create an empty list of functions and a separator. The separator class is just a subclass of string. So, when I say cout and then hello world, what is it that's making it print out hello world? Well, here we have the left shift operator, which self will be the cout variable, and then other will be, in this case, hello world. It will then check for if it is a separator. If it's a separator, it will apply itself to the separator and then return the cout object, meaning that we can chain things. So I can say separator that, but then separator that to override it. I can't imagine why you'd need to do that. Maybe with some other arguments in the middle. Yeah, so you could say hello world. And then change the separator to be, I don't know, the new line character. So obviously the functionality is still limited, but hey, it seems to work. Here you can have, after that it will check for the check for if the argument is a callable, so a function. As seen with the set precision, it will add it to the list of functions. But if it's not a function, then it will use the out class's print method. Print takes a value. If the value is either an end line or a reset, it will do what it needs to do there. And then it applies the provided functions in reverse order. So here, if I have set precision, and I also had, say, harmonic mean, now let's pass it a data set. It will first apply harmonic mean, and then it will set the precision of that argument to 10. See? So in the end, you've got a semi-functioning cout implementation in Python. I'd like to point out that the setPrecision class just returns a closure using some really dodgy code to create number rounding. There was probably a much simpler way to do this. Like, I don't know, round data n. That probably should have been the way to do it, but I didn't. I did it this way. So anyway, that's how I made cout in Python.